Hi, I'm Anna Jackson with InstantHairdo.com. Doodaloo. Go to my website. Anyway, I'm here in lovely, sunny Southern California. Not so sunny today. We're in the middle of what we call June gloom, so it's not the best lighting for doing a video today. However, I felt like what I'm trying to sell is so cool, but you really can't get it so much from a picture. I mean, sure, you can tell from a picture that the clips are lovely. That's just, yeah, can I see it too? Oh, there, yeah, I mean, that's just beautiful. That one's called the Freestyle Princess Tiara, and it's actually one of my two favorite clips. All of our stuff is beautiful, and you can really see it better in the catalog. You can write to me for a catalog. I'm happy to send it to you. bananajackson@gmail.com. However, to really get the best way to really get the understanding of what makes these clips so special is to actually try one on in your own hair. But since I can't do that with you online, I'm going to show you online as best I can. These things are so simple to use. The one that I've got in my hair right now is called the Hawaiian Flower. And I hope you can see it in the mirror back here. I pulled the mirror off of my bathroom door so that I could show you out here in my yard. But I'm going to show you how easy and fast these are to put up, because it actually makes beautiful hairstyle in a few seconds, okay? This is what the clip looks like. It's two pieces, but they're together. So it's impossible to lose one of them. Basically, you take this piece and you slide it along your scalp. You wrap this part is flexible. That's why it's called the flexi clip, right? This top part is flexible. And you just push along these lines. It has three little bumps. I don't know if you can see that very well. It has three little notches that you can slide your clip into, and that holds it tight. Now, usually people wear one size to do a French twist, and then one size smaller, at least, to do a half up. A half up is what I just had my hair in a few seconds ago. Really easy to do, and I'm going to show you how easy it is. I like the Hawaiian Flower because I wear silver jewelry all the time. This is my empty tomb necklace, which I just absolutely love. There's a lady here in Southern California who makes these, and you can get a link to, if you like it, you can get a link to it on my site too. Anyway, since I always wear silver jewelry, I love this one because it goes with, then I don't have to pick it according to my clothes. This goes with anything because it matches my jewelry. Anyways, so here's how we do a French twist. Very, very simple and easy. Just grab your hair. I don't even need a brush for this, okay? That's how easy it is. Just grab your hair and just twist it. Just twist, 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 twist. And you can see my hair is rather thin, and that makes it either harder or easier to work with. Harder with the plastic claw clips. Then you just kind of bend it in the middle and kind of scoot it underneath the roll. Okay, see how easy that is so far? You take your flexi clip, you take the long piece, slide it right against your scalp to pick up the hairs that are right along the scalp. That's kind of key. And then you stretch this flexible part over and push the pin through. Okay, that is how easy it is. And I can't even really see what it looks like. I might have hairs sticking out or whatever, but you would check that in the mirror. But there you see. That is a French twist, and these things are amazing. They will actually genuinely stay in all day long. I'm not joking about that. And the other thing is, the other reason that I just love them is because I suffer from migraines. Okay, anything that puts pressure on my head, even in the smallest way, will trigger a migraine. And believe me, that is a whole day of nausea and having to keep either sunglasses on or lay in my bed, and it's no fun. So I normally don't wear anything in my hair unless it's like a ponytail holder, which day after day after day just gets so messy looking that I finally end up eventually cutting my hair off. Even though I'd like it to be long, I just can't deal with just looking like a kind of a slob all the time. And that's usually genuinely what I look like. But with these, it's instant princess hair. I mean, look at it. It's beautiful. And this is not the only thing. You can't, if you say, oh, I don't wear my hair in a French twist. That's fine. You don't have to wear your hair in a French twist. There's like 5 different styles that you can do really easy and fast with these, okay? You already saw the half up. That's what or a half up twist is what I had earlier. Now, like I said, whatever size you use, you're going to go 1 size down or possibly 2 sizes down for the half up. So the half up, you just grab your hair like that. Just take half of it, just like you normally would if you were going to put it in a ponytail holder or in some other kind of clip. And you just hold it like that and slide your clip in. I'm going to get a smaller size here so that you can see. Because since I'm not doing a half up twist, I won't have enough hair to use my small size. So this is an extra small. Whoops. Get the butterfly going the right way. This one is an extra small. It has those pretty pink shiny beads on it. And then I'm just going to slide it in right against the hair or right against the scalp just like I did before. Stretch the little piece over the top and slide the pin in. Just like that. And that will stay in all day long. I hope that you can see from the video. I'm hoping that I've got the mirrors in the right place where you can see that is just pretty and simple and fast. But the difference is it's not going to pull, it doesn't fall out, and even though my hair is really thin and slippery, it doesn't fall out. It stays in all day long. In fact, the other day, I slept in one of these for half an hour. I was really tired. I took a nap, okay, on the couch, right? And it stayed in all day. And when I got up from the nap, you couldn't even tell that I had had a nap. I mean, these things are fabulous. This one is one of my absolute favorites. This is the one that I was just showing you in the gorgeous picture with the hair that we all wish we had, right? I know, I don't have that much hair. And actually, this clip is too large for me. And this will illustrate something to you when you're trying to find your clip size. Go guess smaller rather than larger. If you're kind of halfway between two, guess smaller rather than larger, because if they're too large, they just won't work, except for a few seconds. But they're not going to stay in your hair all day long the way that these clips were meant to do. But I think this one is just beautiful. I love how it has colors in there that go with blue jeans, because I'm a blue jean wearing girl. So I'm going to show you what this one looks like real quick. I'm going to try to do a tails up, okay? But like I said, that clip is a little bit too big for me. So normally I would need a size small. I just don't happen to have one with that particular design on it. So to do tails up, you just do the twist just like the French twist, except you're not going to bend it in the middle. You're just going to stick it right against your head like that. After you've stuck it against your head, you take your pin, you slide it in right against your scalp, picking up hair on both sides. Fold the little figure 8 over, and this is not going to work for me because this clip is too large. I mean, it's going to work for a few seconds for me to show you what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? And then you just kind of fluff your hair that's sticking up, kind of fluff it around a little bit. But this will not stay in my hair longer than a few seconds because I've got a clip in that's actually too large, but these are just lovely. I'm gonna carry this particular style and the Hawaiian flower around with me all the time because they're my two favorites. Okay, so anyway, that's my introduction video. Please check me out on instanthairdo.com and see what we can do for you, because I tell you what, once you put one of these in your hair, if you're anything like me, you are not ever really going to want to wear anything else in your hair. There you have it. And by the way, as you can see, I'm a Christian. First and foremost, my main mission in life is to tell other people about Jesus Christ, because believe me, hair clips don't mean much if you die in your sins, okay? So go to my website, 301pounds.com, which talks about how I used to be over 300 pounds and I lost all the weight, but it's also going to give you a very important gospel message. So check out 301pounds.com, because nothing is more important than your eternal soul. And if you're in the market for something beautiful, call me. Bye.